Nice to meet you again. I'd like to show you the first step for the beginner's method. First step for the beginner's method is solve a cross. To make the thing simple to begin with, let's make a cross on the white surface. It means that we need to make a white cross on this white centerpiece's face. This is a correct white cross. Let's keep this in mind and look at this one carefully. We can see that this color match, right? The color on the side match, 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 and match. And here is one white cross. So let's keep this correct white cross in our mind. Alright, let's figure out the white centerpiece and make it facing up and figure out where's the 4 white edge piece, and then find a way to correctly position this 4 white edge piece in the correct position like so. Okay, when we get this idea, I'd like to suggest that we should try to make a white cross by ourselves without any help. Now you can push the pause button to make it by yourself. Try it 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour that you like. It doesn't matter. Okay, alright. After you try to make the white cross by yourself, I'm sure that you have become more familiar how the edge piece move around the centerpiece and move around the cube. If you cannot do a white cross, don't worry. Now let's begin and figure out where's the white edge piece. One here in the top layer, one here in the middle layer, one here white blue in the bottom layer, and one here again in the bottom layer white green. Case 1. When we have a white edge piece that's in the up layer and the white color facing up to match up with the white centerpiece, what we need to do is hold the cube and rotate the top layer to make this color on the side to match with the centerpiece. Okay, rotate the top layer to make this color match, right? Now the red already match with the red centerpiece. Okay, next one, case 2. When we have a white edge piece in the bottom layer like so, and the white color facing down, what we need to do is hold this cube and rotate the bottom layer to make the color on the side to match up with the centerpiece here. Now the green match up with this green, right? And then rotate to make it into the up right now. Okay, right? And the next, yes, here it is very visible that this orange already matched, right? So what we need to do is, how to do? It is very simple. Rotate it to make this one into the top layer. It is okay. Now solve this one again. Case 3. When we have a white case in the middle layer, let's make this white color facing to us and figure out where it should be. White blue should be between the white and blue centerpieces, right? So we can think about that. This one is the target position and this one is the target edge piece. Then remember, make this white color facing us and rotate the top layer to make this target position above this target edge piece, and then replace it. Then rotate back the top layer. Now we have already solved this white blue, right? The white edge piece in the top layer, but the white color not facing up. It is facing to us. In this situation, what we need to do is rotate to make it into the middle layer. To make it into the middle layer. In this case, what we need to do? Okay, first make the white color facing to us and then figure out where it should be. It should be in the position between the white and green, right? So we can think about this one is the target position and the white green is the target edge piece. What we need to do is rotate the top layer to make it above the edge piece. Above it, rotate up into the top layer and then rotate back the top layer. Now we have already solved this one, right? When we have the case that the white edge piece in the bottom layer, but the white color not facing down but facing to us, what we need to do is rotate it to make the white edge piece into the middle layer here, into the middle layer, and then we'll have the middle case, right? Remember, figure out where it should be. It should be between the white red position, right? So make the white color facing to us and then rotate the top layer to make this target position above the target edge piece, and then repeat it. Rotate back the top layer. Now solve this white red again. I would like to explain one more case for you. When we have two white stickers facing up, in this case, start with one edge piece and make it match up with the center piece. Okay, first let's solve this one. And the next, what we should do is, let's hide this into the middle layer, like so, hide into the middle layer. And rotate the top layer to make this one match up with the center piece. And then rotate it back, solve these two. Let me do a complete example. First, let's figure out the white centerpiece and make it facing up. It is very visible that we can find a white edge piece in the top layer and the white color already match, right? And what we should do, remember, rotate the top layer to make this color to match up with the centerpiece. Okay, solve this one. And then next, let's figure out, figure out the next edge piece, the white blue in the bottom layer, right? And the white color facing down. What we need to do, remember, rotate the bottom layer to make these two colors match, right? Match up, and then rotate up into the top layer. Okay, and the next. Here we have a white edge piece in the bottom layer, but the white color facing to us, not facing down. Remember, rotate into the middle layer. Yes, this time into the middle layer, already match, right? So just rotate up into the top layer, solve this one again, and the next. This one is the white green, right? Okay, make it into the middle layer. Okay, now we have the middle case, right? It should be between the white and green, right? So this is the target position. Make this target position above it. Replace it, rotate back the top layer. Okay, solve this one again. Now we have already solved a flat white cloth. Yes, of course, we need more practice to become more familiar how the edge pieces move around the cube. Okay, see you next time.